What's up everybody, welcome back to another video, welcome back to a new cockpit view. This is my friend's bike, he's right behind me. We're actually going to Kollam, we are in Kollam right now. We're getting a new bike delivered. I'm actually getting a new bike delivered. It's the CB200X from Honda. So we're just going for a quick delivery. We're pretty close to the showroom, I believe. Yep, this is the one. Delivery ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു CB200X.
ആരെയൊക്കെ കണ്ടത്?
സൗമ്യ.
മേളിൽ ചെന്ന് ബുക്കും പേപ്പറും പേയ്മെന്റ് അടച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടോ? മേളിൽ ചെന്ന് ബുക്കും പേപ്പറും മറ്റേ സ്റ്റെപ്സ്.
Okay guys, so this is the bike, CB200X. Man, this feels so damn smooth. This is my first time riding the motorcycle, by the way, and this feels so damn smooth. It's pretty light. It's very light compared to my Himalayan. Gear shift seems really smooth. It's like butter, man. Oh my god. Feels really nice. Suspension seems to be a bit on the harder side, as usually the instrument cluster is pretty basic. It's really basic. I'm 5'7", and my foot seems to be completely planted both the sides. Okay, it was raining a bit, so I had to put my GoPro inside. I just put in some fuel into the bike and I'm going back home right now. Have to get the puja done. Feels really good though, it's really smooth. Just a pretty normal bike, just nothing fancy with the features or anything like that. Just a normal bike with so much refinement actually. So you guys might be wondering why I got this bike. No, I didn't get this bike. It's my brother-in-law's. He's got this bike. He's not in the city right now, so I had to get it delivered by myself. So you guys might be having a question, why this bike? Why not its rivals, which offers better features and better engine in terms of power? So the thing is, my brother-in-law is not a bike guy. He just wants a bike for daily commuting and occasional just short rides around Bangalore or something. I don't think he's gonna do any long rides on it as of now. I don't think. You can do long rides on it. It's not that you can't do. Obviously you can do, but he's not the guy to do long rides on a motorcycle. He's not a motorcycle guy. In fact, being in such a dark road, the headlights are really bad. So either you need to make some kind of a updation or add an aftermarket headlight bulb, or just install a pair of fog lamps. That would be really good. when you come onto the main road like this, then your headlight is pretty much not useful. So the puja is done. I don't know if you guys can see anything, but anyways, I'm gonna talk. Right now, heading back home. I have another 50 kilometers from here. The time is around 7:28.